How to download video from LinkedIn mobile app. Firstly, you have to install the LinkedIn app from your Play Store. Now open the app in your Android. You can see here there is a video, and we are going to know that how to download video from LinkedIn mobile app. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. You can see there is an on there are three dots. You have to click on it, and you can see then how you can save your video from here your phone and LinkedIn profile. Just you have to click on this save option. If you want to save it in your phone, just you have to click on the share y. Now you can see you can copy link here, you can send it to any of the your app that is present in your phone. This procedure can be applied on the Android as well as on iPhone. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.